Mercedes 190 E2.316 start racing in 1985, in DTM Championship. In 1989 the new Evolution version won a few races. In 1991 the Evolution 2 come, but this year Audi V8 Quattro was too strong. In 1992 Mercedes 190 won the DTM with Klaus Ludwig. In 1993, the last year of the 190, the Alfa Romeo 155 V5 Ti won the first place. This is the last Evolution that I choose to paint, with the colors of the Disquiet Diebels team from 1993. In 1994 the 190 is replaced by the new C-Class. Code W202. Vinyl mask are used for windows and headlights. After masking, windows sand softly inside with green sponge or 1000 grit sandpaper. Wash with water and dishwasher soap to remove fingerprints and grease. Dry with towel and hair dryer. Laser can help with straight lines. Vinyls are mirrored as they will be put inside body shell. Vinyl's lines are good to paint sharp lines. Remove markers lines with alcohol. Masking all surface that is not black. After green, gold will be painted. Then the lights. At the end some coats of backing with white. Removing protection sheet is very satisfying. Thanks for watching. If you want other videos like this, like and subscribe.